Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the bonding in metal carbonyls. So in metal carbonyl, metal provide its vacant d orbital and CO donate a pair of electron to vacant d orbital of the metal, and that's why it leads to the formation of a sigma bond. And at the same time, CO provide its vacant pi star orbital and filled orbital of metal, they form a pi bond. Filled orbital of metal provide or donate its electron pair, or rather we say back donates its electron pair to CO, vacant pi star orbital of CO, and therefore there is a synergic bonding, means that bond provides strength to metal carbon bond, and more is the strength of metal carbon bond, stronger is the bond, and that is called synergic bonding in metal carbonyl. And because of this synergic bonding, metal carbon bond acquire double bond character, and CO, because electrons are provided to the CO in the pi star orbital, so bond order of CO bond decreases, and therefore in free CO, in free carbonyl, CO bond is stronger than in bonded condition. That means when metal complex is formed, carbon oxygen bond strength decreases, and therefore its stretching frequency decreases in CO bond stretching frequency, and metal carbon bond strength increases. More is the metal carbon bond strength, lesser is the CO bond strength. Why is it so? Because more donation of electron from the metal in the pi star orbital of CO decreases the bond order of CO. Because you know what is bond order? Bond order is bonding electrons minus anti-bonding divided by 2. So when bond is formed, then pi star orbital of CO accept electron pair, and it is because of this reason CO is called pi acid ligand. We call CO as pi acid ligand, and it is because of this reason CO is a strong ligand. Crystal field theory could not explain it, why CO being neutral is a strong ligand. So this is the reason, because CO is a pi acid ligand. Okay, and more is the electron density on the metal, more is the donation to CO, and that's why lesser is the bond strength, and that will decrease the stretching frequency of CO. So CO stretching frequency decreases when metal carbon bond is formed in metal carbonyl. Okay, so that's all about bonding in metal carbonyls. So if we summarize it, simple funda is lone pair of electron from CO that is donated to the vacant d orbital of metal, and then filled d orbital of metal back donates electron to pi star orbital of CO, and that's why metal carbon bond strength increases, and that is called synergic bonding. And CO bond strength decreases. Why is it so? Because pi star orbital of CO accept electron pair from metal, and that's why CO bond order decreases. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind. जय भारत।